Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. Super excited to be with you, and I appreciate your time, your attention, and overall the desire to learn more about this subject, which is near and dear to my heart. Hopefully, I can make it near and dear to yours. So, again, appreciate the next hour you're going to spend with us. As we go through this, hopefully, you've been encouraged to ask questions for the live program, everything else. I understand it may go into replay, but those questions not just help those attending this live program, but those that, watch the replay and go through that. So please ask questions. This can be an open discussion all you want. I can help answer and solve your inquiries. Knowledge is power. Really, when it comes to sales, succession planning, buying, selling a law firm, which we're going to talk about today, knowledge is power and it can also be motivation. So ask those questions. Happy to do that and happy to be with you here today talking about the anatomy of a law firm sale. And really, we've done some programs with Lawline on succession planning, selling a law firm, planning for that. If you haven't attended those programs, go check those out specifically. But overall, today we want to get into a little bit more of the nuts and bolts, a little bit more into really what are those components of a law firm sale, of a succession plan? What are the options available to you? What are those deal terms? What do they look like? And they can vary just as much as the law firms that participate in these deals. The terms can vary. But the nice part is we're seeing more over the years of doing this, we're seeing more commonalities, right? Things that work and things that sometimes may not work. And so that's what I'm here to share with you today is really to go through the knowledge to evaluate, structure, and negotiate the sale of your law firm. And again, sale could be with an external party, another law firm, an entrepreneurial lawyer, a capital investor, those different things that are emerging in the marketplace, or with your internal potential buyers, which could be associates, junior partners, co-partners, anything else from that side. So we'll try to get into everything as much as we can in this hour. Again, feel free to ask questions. And again, thank you for being here with us today. So first, let's talk about why this matters. Truly, why the sale components, right? And building a sales strategy or an exit strategy for your firm, or overall what you may call a succession plan truly matters. And that's right there, that first stat is 60%, 67% of law firm owners don't have a succession plan. And honestly, that's through some different studies, that one's a little outdated otherwise. The challenge with that is even though it's two-thirds don't have a plan, and you may be sitting in that seat of, I don't have it.